Hi, good morning.
Good morning. You're Evelyn?
Yes, I am. Thank you so much for seeing me today. I really appreciate the opportunity to be considered.
Mm-hmm. Okay, before we start with the script, we're going to begin with a slate. I need you to say your name, height, and if you have any food allergies.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, we're already recording, so whenever you're ready.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Starling. I'm 5'5", and I do not have any food allergies.
Okay, great. Let's have you read through the side, and then I'll give you a couple of adjustments after that, okay?
Okie dokie.
Whenever you're ready.
Here at Kellywood Farms, our poultry is 100%.
Stop. Why are you reading those lines?
Oh, is this the wrong script?
No, that's the correct script, but you're not reading for the spokesperson. I have you down as reading for the turkey.
The turkey?
We're only auditioning for the turkey today.
Oh, well,
I had prepared for the spokesperson. Are you forfeiting your audition?
but no, I can read for the turkey.
Okay, it's just the one line, same script.
Okay.
Got it?
Do you want to see any sort of physicality or?
No, just the line.
Okay. Gobble gobble gobble.
That's not the line.
It's not?
The turkey doesn't say gobble gobble gobble, the turkey gobbles. Got it? Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay, good. Let's try it again, this time with a little more energy. Not aggressive energy. Remember, this is a friendly turkey. Good. Can we try a slightly lower pitch? And now higher. And now move from low to high. Good. Now let's imagine that turkey sees something unexpected. Turns out it's another turkey in the distance. This other turkey is very attractive. And maybe that makes Turkey feel kind of flirty. But the other turkey just ignores her. And this makes Turkey angry. But in the end, she decides to let it go. Okay, thank you.
Oh, is that?
That's all we need to see.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your time today.
Okay, who do we have next? Tom, it's good to see you again.
The